In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a navigation bar in Base44. We'll keep this simple and beginner friendly, so even if you're new to Base44, you'll be able to follow along and get a functional navigation bar set up for your project. First, start by opening Base44 and heading to your main dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your existing projects. If you already have a project where you want to add a navigation bar, go ahead and select that one. Just click on the project tile to open it in the editor. If you don't have a project yet, you can create a new one from the dashboard and then open it in the same way. Once your project is loaded, you'll be taken into the editor or preview area. This is where you'll be able to visually build and adjust your interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, especially the main canvas in the center and any side panels that let you configure elements or add new components. Now, inside this editor, look for the area where Base44 lets you type in or describe what you want to build. This is usually a prompt field or a command box that allows natural language input. Click into that field so it's active and ready for your instructions. Here is where you're going to tell Base44 that you want a navigation bar. You can either type your request or, if supported, use voice input. Be clear and specific so the system understands exactly what you're aiming for. For example, you might type something like, create a top navigation bar with a logo on the left and menu links for home, about services and contact on the right. You can also mention if you want it fixed to the top, what style you prefer, or if you'd like a responsive layout that works well on mobile. After you've entered your description, confirm or submit it. Base44 will then interpret your request and generate the corresponding navigation bar component right in your project. Once it appears, you can review how it looks and make adjustments using the usual editor tools, such as changing colors, fonts, or the order of the links. That's all you need to get a navigation bar started in Base44. Select your project, then clearly describe the navigation bar you want, and let the platform build the initial version for you.